Since 1948, there's been a lot of fabric in Calico stores. But these days, there's a lot more than fabric, like furniture. And since it's sort of our mission to pry into everything, when we got to High Point, North Carolina, the furniture capital of the country, we decided to look up one of the companies that makes the pieces Calico sells.
My name is George Jordan, and we are at the MT Company, home of Michael Thomas Furniture and Miles Talbot Furniture, and we're based in High Point, North Carolina.
When we told him we wanted all the hidden secrets, it got us into a discussion of all the things you can't see just by looking, and why some bigger box brands sometimes have something to hide.
You know, it's interesting when you tear apart a piece of furniture from a lower quality product because it really reveals a lot. Even some of the bigger box brands that you see, shortcuts are taken within the frame because it is hidden. There are a lot of differences between furniture underneath what you see, and at first glance they may look exactly the same, but the interior is what it's all about. Calico quality top to bottom is better than the vast majority, if not all, of the big box stores when you really dissect the piece from top to bottom. Engineered hardwoods are what we primarily use to build the Calico pieces. Within 1 inch thick, there's 20 different plies, so they're very thin, pressed together, and what that does is really eliminates a lot of variance because they're computer cut and they do not twist or warp easily. We've had our frames tested, and it actually performed better than almost any other type of frame, even non-engineered hardwoods, which were the way furniture used to be built. Some furniture is made with this screw-in leg that can easily break or come out. Ours are an integral part of the frame, meaning that they are reinforced in several different areas. Calico offers several different suspensions on their furniture. For example, Classic Home is a Pirelli web base. The Pirelli web is a basket weave, so it provides a really supportive foundation. Other pieces that Calico offers are 8-way hand-tied, and those are the hallmark of our industry that designates that it's the highest quality. I like to use an example of a futon. When you have just wooden slats and a piece of foam, that is the way most furniture is made today. An 8-way hand-tied product coupled with an inner spring cushion, which is what Calico carries, is the equivalent of a box spring and an inner spring mattress. There's several different things you can do to look at a piece of furniture and see the quality. If there's a pattern on the exterior of the fabric, it's a stripe or it's a foil, you can see if it's pattern matched, which takes more time, more fabric. You can also check the padding on a particular arm, press down and see if you feel wood. And there's also padding on the inside. When you remove the back cushions, you can touch that and really just check the sturdiness of the frame overall. And you can ask key questions on where it's made, what's the warranty. Those kind of things will quickly differentiate a well-made product from one that's not going to last as long. Calico's 10-year warranty on the cushion and lifetime warranty on the foundation and the frame put it in rare air. You do have to take the time to look at all the quality points, what's involved in the production of it, and what the warranty is. But when you compare them side by side, I don't think there's any comparison.
We toured the factory, and George showed us other things, like the difference between typical foam cushions and those with springs within the cushion, which lasts longer and keep the cushion from flattening over time. Then we asked him if there was anything important he hadn't mentioned.
People may say they don't want to take chances and have a lot of variety, but we hear otherwise, and people really want that customization. The only way to be able to do that is to customize it yourself. Custom furniture is inherently more expensive than something that is made by the thousand where everybody has it, because they are handmade one at a time. When they are built one at a time, there's certainly more labor that goes into each individual piece, but it gives you the choice to do whatever you want. Calico has experienced staff that can help you decide on what is the best fit for you, because they do offer a broad spectrum of choice. You take that experienced salesperson as well as the variety of products they have, that gives you a great opportunity to have exactly what you've always wanted.